Okay, so I'm not particularly happy with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some colours into the middle. Keep the other underneath. So this is just the Maraschino. I just want to use it up. I'm just having little bits of paint left in the bottom of tubs, and then they just, well, they keep for ages, but often you don't get back to it again. Well, that's me anyway. So that was that one. Nightfall into the middle of it. I can really see that opal dust from JoSonja that I mixed into this really showing through on that beautiful Nightfall. Just put a bit of this around the edges. Okay, I'm just going to use my little spatula, offset palette knife. Got a tiny bit of the cell activator left. Really scraping the bottom of the barrel there. Need to make some more. Might actually put a bit of the, I've got a bit of Try Out Gold here that I made up as a cell activator. And it's mixed with a little bit of the TLP ore. So I'm just going to add that on there, just for fun. And now I'll do a swipe. I might start over here. Some interesting cells popping through there. That's where I had the gold on there as well as the black. I might just swipe some gold through here as well. It's going to be a bit of everything. And that's what you can do when you've made something, you don't love it, then you can just keep doing things. Going to keep that there. This gold usually takes a few minutes to come up, or to sink down, I should say. A little bit of black on there. It's a bit murky. bit of a black over the top of that, I think. I'm really scraping the bottom of the barrel. Wow. Now, so, spin it out a little bit. Ooh, look at these, how they've come up. Loving how that Maraschino and the Nightfall are sort of blending together there. Look at these big cells. These other cells just floating away. It's actually really interesting. Oh. Yeah, amazing how big those cells became. These ones have all stayed small. So, I could now turn it into a spiral, or I could leave it. I do love how these cells are coming up. They're still working their way up. Where I had that other drizzle swipe underneath, there's colours that are sort of coming up as the others are sinking down. I can see this is really changing a lot now. This looks like a snake's head here, doesn't it? But I am tempted to do my little bit of a spiral through it. So I'm going to. Well, I don't know about you, but I absolutely love that. It's got so much interest. And when it dries, these colours here are just going to be so shiny. So, ended up doing another spiral pour. So I shall now bring you down for a close-up. So here we are coming down for a close-up of this, what it ended up being a spiral pour. And you can see all these interesting shapes, and I'm loving these cells here surrounded by the gold, that gold center, this part here that looks like snake skin, here where it's all the pearly sort of shimmer, which will look beautiful when it dries, all the different colors. So what started off as a drizzle swipe ended up as a spiral. I really like it. Let me know what you think, guys, if you like it or not, or do you think it's just a big mess now? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you back here in Studio 33 in the not too distant future. Until then, stay safe. Bye-bye.